Here we are at Kankakee Community College, Professor John Bordeau with STEM guitar, and today we are doing fretboard layout. And here we have a fretboard ready to be laid out. We have instructor Stephen Weber who's going to do the layout, and we're going to do the layout on the 3rd, the 5th, the 7th, the 9th. The 12th will be the double frets, and then we repeat the pattern again. So he's going to use a 45-degree triangle and a sharp pencil, and he's going to start laying it out, and we're going to place an X over the 3rd. And it's going to go from corner to corner, nice and neat. And we're going to make sure it's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so it's in the middle of the 3rd one. Now we're going to do 5. And 7. Now we're going to go to 9, and then we're 12, and we're going to come back when we get to 12. So we're back on fret number 12. We're placing an X on. Now this is the double fret dots, which will be 1 octave higher. And we're going to put an X in it. And now we have to split this into thirds. So actually going to draw a line right down the middle, right where the X crosses. Now it's going to draw another X from corner to corner on each half.
Well, that didn't work. Here, pause the video. I jacked it up. I'm gonna.
So here we go. So here's one side done. I know there's a lot of line works, but that X on the left side is the center of the left half. So now he's going to do the same X pattern going from like the middle to the corner. And now, if we zoom in here, you'll see that there's actually 2 X's, 1 on each half. And then we'll come back and we'll center punch them so you'll be able to see which one it is. And sometimes I have you erase, the students have to erase the original X, the first X, so it's less confusing. So now we're going to continue on with the rest of our X's down here, and it's the same pattern again, 3, 5, 7, if you count from the double frets. So we're going to put those X's in. And so the pattern just repeats, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. So now we have all our X's in place. So we have our X at 3, 5, 7, 9, double X at 12. Then we repeat the pattern, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. And we're going to point right there is for the 12th double fret. and the next ones are right there. So it's kind of a lot of lines there. Next, we're going to take a precision straight edge, and then we're going to line it up with all those X's except for 12 with the double fret. We're going to line up, and we're going to draw a line down the middle of the fretboard. And you can do just short little ones if you don't want to draw a line, but hey, we're going to sand all the pencils off anyway with our radius sanding. And this is a quality control check. And what you could do then is you make sure that all your fret dots are in one line going all the way down those X's, right? If you do a poor job of drawing in the X's and you're not very accurate, they'll show up when you do this quality control check. Our next step is we're going to take a center punch, and then we're going to do a spring-loaded center punch. So we're going to grab a center punch here, and we're going to punch for drilling so our drill bit doesn't wander. So we're going to put the center punch right on the X, and then you're going to press it down, and you can hear it snap when you press it down. That's the spring-loaded center punch. So we're going to go down and go through all the rest of the frets, and so we're going to just punch. Go ahead and punch the next one.
Actually, go ahead, pause that for a second. Sorry.
So we're center punching, so when we do the drilling for the fret dot on our drill press, we will end up not having it wander of the drill press. Here we're doing the 12th fret, and it's double, so we're doing 2 times on this one. So we just completed our fretboard layout. And so if I can get in here and zoom in, you can see they're center punched right at the X. And now we're going to take it back onto the drill press, and we are going to drill those out so that we have a spot for our fret material to go down into.